Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to make images glow in Canva. First, go to Canva and log in. Then, click on More in the left sidebar. Next, select an Instagram post template or choose another template based on your needs. Now, click on Uploads from the left sidebar. Then, click on Upload Files to upload the image you want to use. After that, open a new tab in your browser and search for BG Remover to find a background remover tool. Click on the first link that appears for the background remover tool. Once on the website, click on Upload Image and select the same image you uploaded to Canva. Next, use the Erase or Restore tool to remove the background from your image. Download the image after the background is removed. Go back to Canva and drag the newly downloaded image onto your Canva. Increase the size of the image on the Canva as needed. Next, click on Background from the left sidebar and select a background that fits your design. Now, right-click on the image and select Duplicate to create a copy. Click on Edit for duplicated image, then select an effect such as glow or shadow to apply to the duplicate image. Move the duplicated image with the effect over the original image. Then, click on Edit again and select Adjust. Here, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, or other settings to fine-tune the glow effect to your linking. Finally, right-click on the affected image and select Layer, then choose Send Backward to place the glowing image behind the original one. Adjust it until you're happy with the effect. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.